we'll guide you through how to animate color in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because animating color in Blender is a simple way to make objects look more dynamic and visually engaging. It is useful for beginners learning animation basics, as well as designers creating product visuals, motion graphics, or stylized scenes. Color animation adds life, mood, and storytelling without requiring complex modeling or rigging skills. To animate color in Blender, begin by opening Blender and starting a new project so you have a fresh workspace. If you prefer a clean scene, delete the default cube by selecting it and pressing X. Next, add a new object by pressing Shift+A, choosing Mesh, and selecting a shape such as a cube, sphere, or any object you like. Once the object appears, select it to prepare for editing. Then, go to the Material Properties tab, represented by a sphere icon on the right panel, and click New to create a new material for the object. After that, locate the base color setting within the principled BSDF shader, as this is the property you will animate. Move the timeline to frame 1 at the bottom of the screen to set the starting point of your animation. Click on the base color and choose your desired starting color. With your mouse hovering over the base color, press I to insert a keyframe, which records this color at frame 1. Next, move the timeline to another frame, such as frame 60, to define the next stage of the animation. Change the base color to a different color, then hover over the base color again and press I to insert another keyframe. To preview the animation, press the play button or hit the spacebar and watch the color transition over time. If the timing feels off, open the timeline or dope sheet to adjust the position of your keyframes. For smoother transitions, switch to the graph editor, where you can refine interpolation curves for better motion. You can also press T and choose interpolation modes like linear or ease and slash out to control how the color changes between keyframes. To make the animation more dynamic, add additional keyframes at different frames with varying colors. Enable Material Preview or Rendered View to clearly see the color changes, and finally, render your animation by pressing F12.